Step into a world where elegance meets innovation, where every detail is intentional, and every space tells a story. This is not just a home, it's a sanctuary, a place where design, comfort, and luxury exist in perfect harmony. From the grand entrance to the open living spaces, from custom finishes to breathtaking views, every inch of this property was built to impress. Imagine mornings filled with light, evenings by the fireplace, and weekends entertaining under the stars. Whether it's a modern mansion in the hills, a waterfront estate by the ocean, or a sleek penthouse in the heart of the city, each home we explore is a window into a lifestyle few get to live. You don't just watch these homes, you feel them. You imagine what life could be, surrounded by beauty, privacy, and peace. Welcome to Dreams Homes and Wheels Tour, where luxury lives and dreams find their address.